is my favorite.
Ella, don't eat too many sweets.
Just one more, please.
Okay, but be careful with your teeth. Did you have your breakfast yet?
No, I wanted a chocolate snack first.
Sweets are not good for breakfast.
Can I have just a tiny piece?
You need something healthy to eat.
I will eat healthy food later.
You are being a little bit stubborn.
I promise it's the last one, Mom. I love playing with my ball outside. The sun feels so warm today. I can kick the ball very far. Oh, the ball went into the dirt. I don't care. I want to play. Let me eat another candy quickly. Mom is busy inside the house. Nobody is watching me right now. This candy is still so tasty. Wait, my stomach feels a bit weird. Maybe it's just because I am hungry. I will play a little bit more. I should go back to Mom. Mom! Help me! I don't feel very good at all. Mom, my tummy hurts so much.
Oh no! What happened to you, Ella?
I don't know. It hurts a lot.
Did you eat something bad, honey?
I ate some candy in the yard.
With your dirty hands, Ella?
Yes, I forgot to wash them.
Oh, remember to wash your hands, dear.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Are you feeling okay, Ella?
I'm not feeling very well.
We should go to the doctor. Come on, let's go, Ella.
Hello, Ella. What is the problem?
Doctor, I have a bad stomach ache.
Did you eat anything unusual today?
I ate many sweets and candy.
Did you wash your hands?
No, I was playing outside before.
Playing in the dirt is fun, but you must wash your hands
Why is it so important, Doctor?
because germs live in the dirt.
Germs make me sick?
Yes, exactly. They infect your stomach.
I understand. I will be careful.
I will give you some medicine.
Will the pain go away soon?
Yes, it will.
Thank you for your help, doctor. Do you feel better now, dear?
Yes, the medicine really helped me.
You look much better right now.
I'm sorry for being stubborn.
It's okay, we learn from mistakes.
I will always wash my hands.
That is a very good promise.
No more candy for a while. Can you read me a story?
Of course. Which book do you like?
The one about the little rabbit.
Okay, get comfortable in your bed. Sleep well and recover your energy.
Good night. I love you so much.
Do you wash your hands? Tell me in the comments.